Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. My name is Kalin. I've been a guitarist for over 12 years now. I got 2 successful bands and a single album. Most of you would know if you've watched my videos. So today we're going to be talking about what is a song structure and just basically the different parts of a song. So, what is a song structure? Basically, a song is composed out of different parts, and when you combine them all together, you have a song. Examples for that could be an intro, chorus, verse, some bridge, breakdowns, solos, and of course, outros. Let's not forget that we can have harmonies and melodies anywhere in the song. And there's different types of order. We can have a more melodic type of song where we can have harmonies and solos in chorus, in verse, anywhere basically on breakdowns. As an example, I would give Iron Maiden as a band that does that, Trivium as well. I'll also give you some examples with songs that I've written like Possibilities and Realities and Attack. And then you have the chorus-oriented songs, and you repeat it until you get sick of it. And then you've got the riff-oriented song, where you can have different riffs for each verse. Progressive metal has that. I'd give an example like Metallica, because I really like Master of Puppets. They did a great job with laying out the riffs over there. Yeah, you got cool bridges and smashing solos. And I'm gonna give you some examples from my song. And then there's the breakdown focused songs, metalcore and grindcore and all types of cores basically after 2010. Each breakdown could be even heavier and slower, and it could go into a lower note. And then you've got the solo focus song where you basically have solos everywhere. In the intro, in the bridge, in the chorus, and in the outro, anywhere. If you think about it, you can also have it on the breakdowns all. And there's different types of songs that you can write, I guess, like different types of metal, thrash metal, death metal. You can write some rock, blues. We're going to talk about pentatonics over there. You can have groove metal like Pantera, and you can have melodic and thrash. Please leave a like and subscribe if you did like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.